In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla door handle. Let's get started. So the first step is to guide yourself onto the website tesla.com/owner's manual and then proceed to select the model of Tesla that you own. In this video, I'll be just using Model X. Then proceed to choose the language you're compatible with, in this case English, and then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options on the left. Click on the arrow drop-down for opening and closing, and then click on doors. Here you'll find a bunch of information about Tesla door handles, things to be cautious of, things that you shouldn't do, and things to take note of, and of the working of the handles for Tesla. If the information here does not help you out, then I do have a couple more fixes to share. So the first fix that I have to share is to reset the car's software. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds until the screen resets. Check for obstruction. Ensure dirt, debris, or ice isn't blocking the mechanism. Clean the handle and surrounding area. Lubricate the handle. Use a silicone-based lubricant on the moving parts to ensure smooth operation. Inspect for mechanical failure. If the handle is still stuck, it may need a replacement, gear, or motor. Contact Tesla service. The next fix that I have for you is the handle is either stuck and won't extend in freezing temperatures. To fix this, use the Tesla app to warm the car and melt any ice around the handle. Tap gently on the handle with your hand to break loose any ice. Apply a water repellent spray to prevent freezing in the future. The last fix that I have is the handle does not respond at all. So this is if the handle doesn't respond at all. The solution to this is perform a soft reset. Check for any error codes in the Tesla app or dashboard. Schedule a service appointment with Tesla as this may require professional repair or replacement. Alright, that'll be it for the fixes. I hope it helps you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.